How to deal with demotivation. Right, this topic is quite rough. I want you to pay really good attention to this video because it is a life-changing advice. The lessons I learned, and it truly changed my life after I implemented it within my own. And yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing is to wake up and get sunlight immediately. I know that most people have this problem, and I also do too. When I wake up and I don't really want to get out of bed, the tips to that is to expose yourself to sunlight immediately. So if you wake up and you go straight to the balcony to get yourself exposed to sunlight, you're gonna be awake, really awake after that, and your day is gonna be more productive. And the second thing that I have been trying to implement is, before I do the work, before I do the study, I usually eat low carb food. It helps my brain become sharper. It can help me think quite smoothly. If you are interested in more biohacking tips, I recommend you listen to Andrew Huberman podcast. It's a really good podcast that he made. The next tip is to find a new hobby. I feel like when you face demotivations, right, if you find a new hobby, you're gonna find a new purpose, and when you find a new purpose, you have something to look forward to, you have something to progress. So let's say I do Roblox CFX, I do graphic design, right, and I don't really want to make my life only just about graphic design. If you find a new hobby, my new hobby right now is weightlifting. It really helps me to progress in other area, in other fields, and there's something new to look forward. It's like the grass is greener sort of feelings. The next thing is to find new goals. Find new goals is also exactly the same. I faced this before when I finished a goal that I have for a really long time. I accomplished it. I was really lost. So find new goals, work towards it, and you're gonna feel motivated once again. Discover new artists. Discovering a new artist is sort of I want you to view it more like getting to know more about the other person's new perspective. If you watch a lot of films, you're gonna have more inspirations, you're gonna have more reference within your brain memory stock that you have. And so once you have to design something, you have that area of ideas sink into your mind already. It doesn't have to be in Roblox, by the way. It can be anything. So the next is to hang out with friends. I know that this topic might sound really sad to talk about because if you cultivate a good friendship, it's gonna do you a lasting positivity relationship, and it's gonna help you with motivation. When you hang out with your friends, you speak with them, you socialize with them, you exchange inspirations, you exchange positivity, and you can surround yourself with good environments too. Next is to change environment. Perhaps try to clean up your space. Just change things up and see how you like. Environment in this terms, it can be stuff related to your desk, it can be stuff related to your social. Change things up and see how it goes, see how you like it. The next thing that I'm gonna say is I think it is a really important topic. Sometimes you cannot rely on motivation that much because motivation comes and go. Something that you can rely on is discipline. It's the ability to do things when you don't feel like it. And if you can rely on discipline, you're gonna be consistent. And the last tip, this tip is really important, is to subscribe to my channel. I'm not doing this for algorithm, I'm not doing this for anything. Trust me, I'm being really authentic here. The thing is that subscribe to my channel so that YouTube shows my video, and because my video is gonna motivate you, it's gonna teach you a lot of things. I really wish you all the best. I think this is a great platform for me to be able to speak to you guys, to be able to share the things I learned. Now I want you to look at the sky. You see the thing right there? That's the star. At the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.